Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add money on eToro. If you want to start trading on eToro, you first need to add funds to your account. In order to do that, first of all, launch open any web browser of your choice and type in etoro.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you are also logged into your eToro.com account by entering your account's correct credentials. Once you're signed into the home page of eToro, go to the left-hand side corner and look for the Deposit Funds button and click on it. Now on the next page, go ahead and enter the amount you want to deposit and also make sure to choose your currency. And once done, head over to the next field and select your payment method you want to use. You can click on the credit/debit card drop-down and select your payment method. You can choose credit or debit card, Skrill, bank transfer, or Neteller. I'm just going to choose the credit or debit card option. Whichever option you choose, go ahead and enter the card number, your expiry date for the card, CVV code, your first name and then your last name, and if available, also enter your middle name, and finally, after entering the details, click on deposit. Follow through the on-screen instruction, and once the payment is successful, the fund will be added to your eToro account balance. Adding money to eToro is a simple process that allows you to create trading on the platform. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.